Hi, in this video, I want to talk about some issues of syntax. Okay, syntax is basically the way we write the program, right? Because we have to write the program in a certain way so that our compiler can understand it and do what we are asking the compiler to do. So, for example, you would have seen the line that I've shown here. Uh, Let me just switch on the pointer. Yeah, this is called AD marks equal to 1, and whatever this sign is, it's actually the left shift sign and add-lar. And you may be wondering in your programs, what does this mean? So I just want to take a little bit time to try to explain that to you. Okay. So let's take the example of the register AD mux and talk about the syntax. So we know the register AD marks has the following bits in it, and I just have looked up the data sheet to see that AD marks has these bits in it. Okay, so and let's say what we want is we want to set uh, this particular bit, which is add lar, to 1, and all the other bits we want to leave it at 0. So how would you write this code in the microcontroller? Okay, my guess is you would find it fairly easy. You write ATMUX equal to 0b, which shows that the number is a binary number. Okay, so if you had written here, if you didn't put any prefix, any 0b or anything, of just written the number, then the microcontroller thinks that it's a decimal number. If you want it to be a binary number, then you write 0b. If you write 0x, it is a hexadecimal number, and so on. Okay, but here, let's say that we want to write it as a binary number. And what we have written is 001000000. So that's 8 digits. And you can see that the first 0 here goes into this bit, the second 0 goes here, the 1 goes here, and then the rest of the zeros. So basically, that's how you would write the code. Okay. Now, uh, right at the beginning, you can see that there is a problem with writing code this way, because you need to know that where adlar is, and then you need to put it in the correct place here. So an easier way of writing the same thing would be to write it like this. So you say add mux equal to, and you say 1 right shift adlar. And when you write this, what it does is, what you're telling the microcontroller is, you're saying put a 1 into adlar, which is in admux. Okay, or another way to say it is shift 1 to this position, and then whatever you get, you put it in admux. Okay, so this is an alternative way of writing this code. Okay, let's continue on. Now what I want to do is, after I have done this, after I have put 1 into adlar, I want to put a 1 in this position, in this bit, which is mux 3. So how do I write this code? If I write something like this, would that work? No, it wouldn't work, right? Because if I write 1 here, that's going to, and there's a 0 at the adlar position, which is this is going to overwrite. This is going to overwrite this, which I don't want to do. I want to put a 1 here without changing anything else in this register. So I can't do that. That's a wrong approach. What can I do then? What I can do is write something like this. So add mux or equal to this. Okay, what does this or equal to mean? It's a shorthand way of saying add mux equal to add mux or this. When I say or, it's the logical operator or, which we studied in the previous module, Medical Instrumentation 1. And what it does is it takes the value of add mux, which we have already set to this value, okay, and it takes each bit of that and ORs it with this number. So the result would be 0 or 0, which is 0, then again 0 or 0, which is 0, again 0 or 0. But when it comes to the fourth bit here, it's going to do 1 or 0, which is already there in atmux, and the result is going to be 1. Okay, and similarly here this, which bit is this? Sixth bit. No, the fifth bit, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the fifth bit, you take 1, and the fifth bit here is 0. So 1 or 0 is 1, and so admux will be 1. So basically, this is a way of writing the code so that the previous numbers which are set to 1 are not reset while setting new bits to 1. Okay, so here we have preserved this adlar to be 1 while changing the mux3 to 1. So what we can do is we can write or equal to, which is just a shorthand way of writing admux or this. Is that all right? Okay, let's carry on. So what I can do then is say, well, I don't really want to write this 0b00001000. Instead, I just want to write that I want to put 1 in mux3, right? And you know how to do that. So I can say add mux or equal to, and I want to put 1 in mux3. So this or equal to preserves the positions where there is 1 already, and then this code puts a new one at position mux 3. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, what let me just kind of give you another point here. So let's say you want to change this 2 bits together and you want to put 1 0 here. Okay, and sometimes, for example, you may have want to put or set all these 4 bits mux 0 to mux 3 at the same time. So how could you do that? One way of doing that would be to say add mux or equal to is there so that the values in the rest of the registers are preserved. Okay, and then you say 1 0 right shift ref as 0. So what that means is this 1 0 will be put in the bits where starting from the position ref as 0. So 0 will be put here and 1 will be put here. Okay, hopefully that helps you to understand some of the syntax that I have used in the code.